Sabi ni Ramel, dapat daw, yung mga lakad-lakad mo, edit mo, upload mo. Sige, i-upload. Sayang naman kasi ang panahon.
So much and I can tell you, so much you can say. Won't you tell me is that
Saka dahil kailapo kasi kinakakuya nila yung iba, nililipat nila sa kinakakuya nila pang mga sasakyan doon, nililipat nila. Hindi naman pwedeng gano'n. Tapos ibabayaran mo ng mahal. Sabihin mo, nagpalit ka ng bago, pero hindi naman.
Lalo pa sa kanila na forward kalabutok.
Wish 1075.
What if makasabay mo si Crush sa elevator?
Hi, going up?
Bad breath! Turn off kay Crush. Use Close Up with antibacterial zinc for all-day amazing fresh breath for up to 12 hours with regular use.
Kasha pa?
Kasha pa sa tabi ko. Dare to get closer with all-day amazing fresh breath from Close Up for up to 12 hours with regular use.
Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Ang practical.
For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical with over 300 stores.
Tayong dalawa. Dati ang puso ko ay lagi.
she's waiting?
Of changing lives.
And then the next train?
Cause I'm just a man, but as long as I got a mic, I'm godlike. So me and you are not alike. I wrote stand.
Once upon a time it was paradise. Once upon a time I was paralyzed. Think I'm gonna miss these harbor lights, but it's time to let it go. Once upon a time it was made for us. Woke up one day city lights. Back to the ocean. La la la, you slide away. Move on, we're not 17. I'm not who I used to be. You say that everything changed. You're right, we're grown now.
Palagay basang-basa ang dahil ba'y damang-dama sa'king kalamnang punong-puno ng pananabik at ng kabalalim sa'king bawat paghinga nakatitig lamang sa iyo. Naglakad ka ng dahan-dahan sa pasilyo tungo sa altar ng simbahan. Hahaganan, di ka bibitawan. Wala na akong mahihiling pa. Ikaw at ikaw. Sa pagtanda ang hiling sa Diyos na may gawa ape lito ko'y maging iyo. Naglakad ka ng dahan-dahan sa pasilyo tungo sa'kin at hinawakan mo ako't aking binabigilang maluhan ang mayakap na ikaw.
any other.
I did my best, wasn't good for you. I was the best for both of you. Family and friends, they are close to you. Damn, it's so hard to get over you. Late in the midnight.